Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show how to repot chrysanthemum or mum's plant. I purchased this chrysanthemum plant 7 rupees each plant from my nearest market. This is a very cheapest price of this plant. The winter season is coming soon. This is the best time for planting this chrysanthemum plant. Okay, let's start how to repot this plant. First of all, we make the potting mix for chrysanthemum plant. The ratio of the potting mix is 60% garden soil, 30% vermicompost or fully decomposed cow dung, and 10% sand. Mix it well. After that, we take a 4 to 8 inches clay pot with well drainage system. Take this pot and give some fine sand bottom of the pot for well drainage system and fill it with potting mix. Take this plant and plant it into the center of the potting mix like this and give some potting mix. Similar process we follow. After that, we give some water. And keep it shaded place 3 to 4 days. After 3 to 4 days, we keep this plant full sunlight. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query? Please comment me and subscribe my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.